Hello students, today I am going to explain the ninth chapter of 10th standard state syllabus, some applications of trigonometry. Heights and distance. In the previous chapter you have studied about trigonometric ratios. In this chapter you will be studying about some ways in which trigonometry is used in the life around us. Let us consider of the previous chapter, which is read down below. This is the picture read round. In this figure, the AC drawn from the eye. The AC is drawn from the eye of the student to the top of the minor is called the line of sight. This is the line of sight. AC drawn from here to the top of the minor. This is the line of sight. The student is looking at the top of the minor. The angle BAC, so formed by the line of sight with the horizontal, is called the angle of elevation. That is, the person is standing here and seeing the top of the minor, and this is the bottom of the tower. This for that BAC is the angle of elevation. BS is the angle of elevation, horizontal. Is called the angle of elevation of the top of the minor from the eye of the student. Thus, the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. This is the line of sight. This is a person standing here, but the horizontal below that line is ground level. This is the high level. This one is A is eye level and E is the ground level. The line of sight is from eye to top of the minor. This is the line of the sight, and angle of the elevation is angle BAC. The angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is about the horizontal level. That is the case when we raise our head to look at the object. Here once again same thing. Now consider the situation given in this figure. The girl standing on the balcony. This is the girl standing on the balcony. The girl standing on the balcony, looking down at the flower pot placed on the stair of the temple. In this case, the line of sight is below the horizontal level. The angle so formed by the line of sight with the horizontal is called angle of depression. This is the angle of depression. This is the horizontal line. This is the line of sight. The angle of depression of the point on the object being viewed in the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. That is the case when the lower our head to look at the point being viewed. This is lower our head and look at the point is object is here, the viewer is here. This is the horizontal level, this is the angle of depression, and this is the line of sight. Now you may identify the lines of sight and the angle so formed in that figure. Or the angle of elevation or angle of depression. Let us refer the figure 9.1 again. This is the figure 9.1 again. If you want to find the height CD of the minor without actually measuring it, when what information do you need? You would need to know the following. First, the distance D at which the student is studying from the foot of the minor. This is the angle DE we want to find. This is the foot of the minor. Next, in angle of elevation BAC of the top of the minor, angle BAC at the top of the minor. Third one is in the height AE of the student. AE of the student. This is the height AE of the student. Assuming that the above three conditions are known, how can we determine the height of the minor? In figure, CD is equal to CB plus BD. CD is equal to CB plus CD. This is the C, this is the D. CD is equal to CB plus BD. And BD is equal to AE. BD is equal to AE. This is the height of the person AE, and this is the similar to height of the person. Which is the height of the student? To find BC, we will use trigonometric ratios of angle BAC or angle A. First, next we have to find BAC. First we have to find, this is the angle of elevation, in that this angle should be find. Trigonometric ratios of the angles. In triangle ABC, the side BC is the opposite side in relation to the known as angle A. In triangle ABC, the side BC in triangle ABC, B is at the right angle triangle, and BC is the opposite side of the relation of the angle A. BC is the opposite side of angle A. Now, which of the trigonometric ratios can we use? Which one of them has the two values that we have, and the one is need to determine? Our search narrows down to using either tan A or cot A, as these ratios involve AB and BC. Therefore, tan A is equal to BC divided by AB. Here, tan A is equal to opposite BC divided by AB. Opposite and horizontal. Opposite divided by horizontal. Or cot A is equal to AB divided by BC. This is adjacent, this is BC is opposite. Which is solving would give us BC. By adding AE and BC, you will get the height of the minor. Now let us explain the process we have just discussed by solving some problems. Thank you.